Hello, I'm Joan. I'm a plant and gardening content writer living in Lagos. So with me is Oluwatoyin.
Hi everyone.
Hi, and she's Tito Plants on Instagram. We met on the streets of Instagram, and she said I inspired her. So she's been to my garden, but today I'm visiting her garden to see her plants for the first time. So do come along.
Let's go. These are my aglaonemas
Okay, nice. How
plants.
many aglaonemas do you have? How
I
many?
think now I should have up to like 15.
15. Wow.
Yeah,
Okay. The interesting thing about aglaonemas is that new varieties keep coming out. Okay.
I'm so fond of aglaonema.
Okay. How long? Oh, meanwhile, how long have you had this garden?
Um, about 12 years
12
now.
years. Wow.
12
Okay.
years now.
All right. Had you always been do-it-yourself gardener?
No.
Okay.
For the first 7 years I had this gardener.
Come to work for you.
Yes, he
Okay.
actually set up the garden.
Okay.
He did the
Nice.
landscaping.
Okay. Nice. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. But then I'm sure that when you started doing it yourself, you got more involved. You have more variety.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I did a lot of reading, then
About it.
information about different plants, then different the soil composition,
Okay.
then the
Then
watering,
okay.
is it compost you call them
Yeah,
now?
the compost
The
for the garden.
compost,
Yeah, for
yeah,
feeding the
for
soil.
feeding the soil
Yeah.
and all
I
of
guess
that.
you get when you get more involved, you start knowing more. I mean, you spend money on the plants, so you need to
You
know
need to, yeah, you don't want your plant
to die.
to
Die
die. So
exactly.
that makes you to get, I mean,
More,
to
more,
read
more
more, to
about the
get more
plants.
information about the
About the plant.
plant.
So for you, what do you like? I mean, this is mostly a foliage garden, and you have a lot of shade, so that's it helps with the foliage plants. There's so much shade, so you're not really like a flower person.
I do.
You like the flowers?
Yeah, I
Okay,
like
like that.
flowers as
Okay,
well.
I like this
But
one.
just I don't have a lot of them here.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right. I like this one in particular.
So do you remember this pillar? I got them from you.
Okay, all right.
Then how do you, because I don't even remember
How to propagate it?
how to propagate
Just cut it. You just
and put in the ground.
yeah.
Okay.
So you can even cut it now. Just cut it and stick it in the ground.
Let me get my belt.
Okay. So just cut below a node. Yeah, that there is fine. Okay, and then stick it in the ground. It roots very easily.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's good.
So you will have a bushier pot.
Yeah.
Do this, yeah. I like the way you handle your gardening yourself, and you don't even wear gloves.
I don't.
I can't touch.
I like the feel of
Are you
sand.
serious? Okay. All right.
What did you call this again?
I think this is I think it's the Boston fern.
No. That's
Fluffy
the
ruffle.
okay,
Fluffy
the fluffy. You call
ruffles.
it, you
Yeah,
called it fluffy
ruffles
ruffle.
or something like that. Your aglaonema leaves. My goodness, this is huge.
These are like 2 years old.
Oh, really? You got them as babies?
Yes, I got them. Yeah, babies with maybe like 5 leaves
Are
from
you
a
serious?
friend.
And
Now I
then
have 2 pots and I've given out like 2 other plants from it.
nice. So what do we have here on this side? Okay,
Some are philodendron.
okay, yeah, this is the
Xanadu.
this is Xanadu, yeah. You've had this for a while.
Yes, before COVID.
Oh my goodness, this is a really lush asparagus fern. This is the biggest I've seen. Mine isn't doing so well.
I've had it for quite a while as well. Can't remember how long, but it has always been here. I used to have 2. I gave
Okay.
one to a friend. It's quite big.
So what do you have here?
Wandering Jew.
Okay, and these other plants. I think it's a Calathea or something.
Calathea.
Yeah.
The green and
And so you're gonna let it creep all the way there?
no, I trim. I try to
trim them.
I
Okay.
trim them.
So you maintain the garden yourself?
Yeah, I do that.
Okay.
I try to spend like 1 to 2 hours every day.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah.
That's quite a while. I like the way you arrange this place. This is really nice.
Thank you. Yeah, this is a mixture of Sansevieria.
Okay.
I have about, I think, 4 different types.
Well, look at the earthworm activity down here. Soil is really rich. Rich
Thank
soil.
you.
What do you use to feed? You said compost or manure?
Both.
Okay, both compost and manure. Okay,
Yeah,
then you have another Sansevieria patch here
Sansevieria
coming up.
here.
Your coleus patch. I remember you sharing pictures of coleus with me.
Long time ago.
Yeah, long ago when we connected. Well, just about a
I
year
think
or
it was
two.
last year.
Last year, yeah.
Then I
Yeah.
had about, I think, 9 to 11 or 12
Different types of coleus.
different types. But I
What
lost
happened?
some.
Okay. Maybe you didn't propagate on time.
I didn't propagate on time, and also I think I abandoned them for a while. They need a lot of attention.
Yeah.
Once they are not doing so well, you need to cut,
yeah,
and
and
replant.
replant them.
Yes. This is blood leaf, the one that turns red.
Okay. Okay. It's when you put it in hot water, it turns red.
It turns red.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'd like to take some and try it out. That's a massive desert rose. How long has that desert rose been in the ground?
Going to 13 years
Wow.
now.
Oh, it wasn't obviously. It was in a pot when you got it at first.
Yes.
Okay. And it doesn't have any leaves. Were you scared at any point that you were going to lose it?
No, never.
Okay. All right. It's always been in good hands.
Yes.
Look at the codex. You guys need to see this codex. Huge. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tony, thank you so much for taking us around your garden. Do follow Tito Plants on Instagram, encourage her. And also on Instagram as Plants in Tropical Spaces. And on my website, planttropicalspaces.com, read the blog. Like I said, I write to inspire a DIY gardening culture in my community. And so I'm always on the lookout for inspirational gardens like this to share with you. So thanks for sticking around till the end. All right then, bye.
Bye.